If your engine is running rough or has a lack of power, you may have a cylinder that's misfiring. Misfires can be caused by worn-out ignition components such as bad spark plugs or worn-out spark plug wires. In addition, it can also be caused by no fuel delivery and low compression in that cylinder. The easiest way to find which cylinder is misfiring is by removing the spark plug wires on each of the cylinders one at a time. If a cylinder is firing correctly when you remove the spark plug wire, there should be a drop in the RPM. If there is no change, then that cylinder is misfiring and you will have to perform further tests